Hey, hello, in this video I will show you how to set up your domain tracker. First we create a domain and we have one here. It's a test shop, a test domain from Cloudways. We add a URL here and we say, in this case we remove the HTTP, and then we say test shop. And then we create a domain and it tells us to copy this script and add it to the header. So we do that. And in this WooCommerce we have a custom code. This makes it very easy to add custom HTML or CSS to the header of the page. We will click add HTML code. We make sure it will add it to the header and we just paste our link here. With this script only Sidetracker is able to track our domain. I publish it, and if we go to our domain here, we can say view page source, and here you will see now the script. Meanwhile, Sidetracker is now trying to make a connection, and it already did here, and it says it's live. And here we go, we are now tracked. This is us. That's how easy it is. And if you want to track anything more than just the page visits, like events, you can just add them to the page. For example, we want a click event. We say create new click event, test button, and we could say test 1, 2, 3. Or you can also do asterisks to make it a wildcard, let's say. Test button for demo. And then we say what element, it's a href. Could also be an attribute, maybe that's more fun for now to show. You can select your domain and then we add a trigger. I want to send a notification email whenever someone clicks a button or an element on a page. Let's say create, now it's there. And what we do now, if we go back, we can say test is asterisk, so we say in our page here, we say edit page. And this is all test code, but we can just say custom HTML. We say div test is, it could be anything, so we could do just this, tester div. So I now save this code, and if we go to our website in a different URL, just to keep track. So we are now here, we have one visitor, we go to a new window. Here we now have tester. If you check your inspector, you'll see no page reload detected. And if I click here, something will happen in the background, nobody knows, but. And as we can see, an email is sent now. And that will happen as an action on this button. But we can also change that, so we can say, we create a callback, and a callback is an HTML element, could be anything. Out of the box, there's this element, we can just, hi there, how are you? We change it, and you could even, you can style this the way you want, it's like a survey, and we say, hi there, pop-up. And we create this. So now we go back and we create a trigger out of this. First an event. Callback element. Hi there. This is our call, the one we just created. And we want to delay it, let's say 5 seconds after we click, we want to give this pop-up. And you can even do this on a page load or whatever you want. So now we say triggers, new trigger, add event, hi there. Unlimited, you can also say only once. I only want to show this once, but in this case we say unlimited. Save, hi there trigger, create. There we are. Now we go back to our test button. We say edit. This one is required. So now we saved it and let's test again. There we are. And you see it shows this pop-up. We can close it. And this way you can do anything you want. So you can say, I create a funnel and I want to show in this funnel, hi there. everybody that clicked on hi there I want to show. Everybody that saw this trigger. And if we now say, for example, last 14 days, it shows that one visit saw the pop-up hi there. So now you see that 100% saw the hi there pop-up. A funnel is a way of keeping track of many triggers, so or page views or events. So you can add many things as you want, and then keep track of your the way. And you can keep track of the retention in your funnels. This was a quick tour to show you how to set up your domain. There's much more you can do, and for that I really advise you to check our documentation, and see you in the next videos. Cheers!